Hello, my friends. We are ProtekTronics. We are presenting our new video as a summary. We are a company specialized in the repair of Futzmeister, concrete pumps, swing, SIFA, Mercedes-Benz Actros, and all the heavy-duty equipments. For our new video, we are presenting an HBC 735 remote control for a Putzmeister machine. This remote control was repaired in our shop. The inside was completely replaced with ProtekTronics system. If you open it, like the videos before, you will not find any of HBC system. You will find ProtekTronics and ProtekService boards, electronic boards. This remote control will be delivered to our customer in Ivory Coast in Africa. This machine startup is the same as HBC from outside. It works the same in the same principle, like we see here, changing and working with the boom, also pumping. Okay, also increasing pumping, increasing speed, everything, horn, everything is the same. But from inside it's totally different. This machine, this system, we have created, we have invented the system only for the old HBCs that cannot be repaired, where there is damage in the remote control inside, in the bus manager and the decoder boards that cannot be repaired anymore. So instead of throwing it, you will send it us and we repair it with minimum cost comparing to purchasing a new HBC remote control. This system is so much efficient. It was tried about 50 times before. All the customers are happy and satisfied, and it's much less expensive than the HBC. Okay, the advantage of the system, as we have seen before, it's less expensive. The spare parts are available and it can be repaired very easily, and software can be updated from time to time to give more if you need to change something in your machine, to add a feature. So you can call us and we can change the software especially for you. Okay, this is it. We wish you a nice day, a nice weekend, and for your help and service, call us directly on our WhatsApp and phone call, and send us an email. Take care. Bye bye.